ORGN Materials is selected to build the world's first carbon-negative manufacturing facility in Geismar, Louisiana. The facility would produce carbon-negative materials used to make polyethylene terephthalate, PET, plastic, which is used in packaging, textiles, apparel, and other applications, as well as hydrothermal carbon. The patented technology platform can turn the carbon found in sustainable wood residues into useful materials while capturing carbon in the process. The 150-acre facility would create an estimated 500 construction jobs, 200 local full-time positions, and between 500 and 1,000 indirect local jobs. The plant would convert an estimated 1 million dry metric tons of wood residues each year into products for a wide range of end markets. The plant is expected to be operational mid-2025. The state of Louisiana is seeking to allocate a private activity bond, PAB, volume cap of $400 million. This would amount to a total of $100 million more than the current cap. This increase would result from the pending finalization of a state and local incentives package.